what we're really talking about with all these applications is data, right? They're databases sitting underneath applications and there are various things going on. But I think it's just really important to point out that making sure that you have access to the data that you're going to need and that you have the flexibility and availability of that data and you're not tied into a system that's not going to support more advanced data initiatives is problematic and something that should be considered as part of the process. Even if you don't have an immediate need or understanding of how you might be using that data, it's important that you maintain that flexibility. And being the firm of the future, you want to avoid being the firm of the future today, and then in a few years' time, you're not anymore because you haven't thought about data and strategy and wider things outside of the application side of things. But back to the question, the biggest mistake that we see people make here, right, is hiring people to build stuff that already exists. That's a big problem in this industry. We see this quite a lot, right? And so there are solutions for, data science initiatives. My business, we have a data platform. I'm not going to sit here and use this as a chance to kind of push that, right? But we have a platform. There are others out there. We've already mapped out connections to loads of different platforms. It serves as an integration hub. We can do all kinds of exciting things with that data. But that's the point, right? The exciting part is manipulation of the data, building models, understanding various things. I think the mistake that you can make is spending time and resources building the stuff that's already been done or that is boring, that isn't providing much value, and not putting your resources into the places where there really is good value to be had.